So hey guys, hello, good evening everyone, and then today we are going to deploy our MlLib model into our EC2 instance, and then there we are also doing our visualizations of our static data. Okay, so for that, okay, I have previously I have uploaded my video on stock data predictions on static data using those things, okay, using Spark, MlLib, and then visualizing it using Flask and Highchart JS. Okay, there I have already explained about the codes. Okay, there. So here I am just going to upload that model into my EC2 instance, and then how can we run our Spark there, and then how do we create? Okay, how do we deploy our model actually? Okay, so we'll be discussing that thing here. Okay, so uh, for that, okay, I literally forgot that thing. Okay, so like for that, okay, I have uh, uh, I have created, okay, I have created environment, okay, for my project folder. Okay, so for creating environment, okay, you can start your project into an environment, and then benefit is that we don't have to we don't we need this requirement text. Okay, whatever things we have used for this project will be we will be only importing this those things, okay, into our requirement text, and later while running into EC2 instance, we will be using this requirement.txt file. Okay, there in our EC2 instance for installing these things. Okay, so here I have in my project I have used these several things. Okay, so I will be also uploading the video for creating environment. Okay, environment for our project. Okay, I will be uploading those videos. So for now, okay, just get this requirement text by from your I will be needing this requirement dot text, okay, for installing, okay, these things into our EC2 instance. So let me jump up to my video, okay, actual video. So for that, okay, we will have to, first thing we have to do is we have to log in our AWS account. Okay, and after logging into your AWS, just go to the EC2 instance there. Okay, and in your EC2 instance, okay, we have to create an instance. Okay, new instance. So let me click here. Okay, so here I don't have any instance running, okay, right now. So let me create a launch a new instance first. Here I will be selecting, okay, Ubuntu. Okay, actually I am used to with Ubuntu. You can select Windows or anything that you are comfortable. Okay, so I am using Ubuntu server. So after selecting your Ubuntu, then just go with the free tier. Okay, if you choose other tier, then you will be charged. Okay, and they will charge you money. Okay, you will have to pay some money for using other instances. Just go for free eligible and just click next. And here also we don't have to do anything, just click next. And then also here also we don't have to do anything, just click next on next. And then here, okay, here also just go next, just choose next. And then just if you have created, just go for this create new security things. Okay, if you are doing this first time, I have already a security group available, so I am just going to select this security groups. Okay, let me choose my web server. Okay, so I will explain this full access later. Okay, so let me just select this things. Okay, just leave you and runs. And then let me go and launch and then here, okay, in key pair, if you are new, okay, then you have to create a new key pair and then just save it into your systems. Okay, then for existing, if you I already have these keys, okay, which is in my system. I have already downloaded this key pair. Okay, we will be using this key pair for connecting our instance with our local terminal. Okay, so just go and launch instance, and let me check if our instance are running. Just wait for the running stages. It is in pending, so we'll have to wait. So till then, okay, we have to first what we have to do is we have to select, okay, we have to create security group. Okay, create security group. I have already security group here. Just click here and create security group, and then after clicking there, okay, just after clicking this there, just go into inbound and then just add these things. Okay, so let me go to my inbound rules. Okay, just add these things. Okay, just add. Okay, let me edit, go to edit, and then just add all traffic, and in here also just give anywhere. Okay, and then just save your rules. Okay, because if we want to further, okay, if we want to get access, if we want to get access to our software, we have to provide this security group. Okay, for further for launching, for running our web server. Okay, so for this we have to add these rules. Okay, just save these rules, and then let me go to my EC2 instance now. Is it running? No, yeah, it is in running. So after doing this, okay, so we have to do one more steps, and that is network interface. Okay, so here, okay, here, okay, just click here. Okay, just click on tick. Okay, then just go to actions, and then just go to change security group, and then here, okay, we will have to add those access. Okay, we have created full access. Just select this the full access, and then just add to security group here. As you can see, we have successfully select this full access also. So just save this, and then after saving this, let me go to my instances, and then yeah, it is initializing. Just wait, and then now just click on connect. Okay, just click on connect, and then here just select SSH client. Okay, and then just copy this fourth. Okay, just copy this command, and then in your terminal, okay, just go and paste those files, paste those commands. Okay, and then just okay, let me remind you, okay, one thing here we have to do. Okay, wherever you have saved those keep here, if you save here, we have to go to that directory, because it will take that keep here. So in my case, I have downloaded that keep here into my downloads folder. So let me go inside that download folder, and then just paste those commands, and then here, as you can see, this is my keep here file, which is in my download folder. So that's why I have to go inside my downloads folder. So let me just hit enter, and just say yes, and as you can see, I I am successfully I am successfully connected with my instance. Okay, so after connecting to your instance, okay, let me get back, and then yeah, okay, now I can run successfully probably. Okay, so first thing we have to do is, we have to install pip manager. Okay, so because here in our instance Python is already there, so just hit run and see. Okay, it is not Python, it is Python 3. It is already installed there. So let me exit. Okay, okay, let me clear it, and then first command we are using is that sudo apt-get update. We have to update. Okay, and then sudo apt-get update, and we will also be using, and also sudo apt-get install python 3 dash pip. Okay, now hit those command. It will update our repo. Okay, it will update our repo, and also update our pip file. Okay, so then by doing this, we can install our necessary library from that requirement dot file. Okay, so for that thing, we are using these commands. Okay, so after installation, okay, we have to import our local files into our instance. Okay, for that we will be using filezilla. So let us wait for the installation. Okay, let's wait. uh, okay, let's wait. Okay, so first thing we have to do is, we have to install our local files into our instance. Okay, for that we will be using file. So let just wait for the installation. Okay, let us wait. For the installation, let us wait. For the installation, okay, let me exit. as you can see, it is installing necessary updating necessary files, okay, like our pythons and that thing by our command. Okay, so uh, we have to wait, just wait. So yeah, update is successfully completed. uh, First, okay, so for next things, okay, I will be, what I am going to do is uh, let me connect my file zilla, let me connect my file zilla uh, with my instance. Okay, so uh, so just wait, okay, just copy this the connections with our public DNS. So in our file zilla, just go to site manager, and there just select this. I have already created this AWS EC2, so just you can go and create new site here also. Okay, then here, okay, just remove this previous code and just select this SFTP, and then just click connect. Okay, okay, then if you haven't added your pm key file, okay, so you can add your pm key file here. Okay, I forgot to mention that thing. Just go to the settings, and here in settings, okay, you will need that pm key file to connect. Okay, just go to sftp, and then just add key here, and then just add those key file there. Okay, so after doing this, okay, after doing this, we have to wait. After doing this, we have to now we have to upload our files. Okay, now we have to upload our files into our ubuntu. So for that, okay, let me go to my ubuntu, and then let me create a directory here using mkdir. Using mkdir, we can create a folder here. Let me just name it as stock data project, and then after creating directory, just let me hit ls. Okay, so as you can see, my folder is successfully created in ec2 instance. So now let me just hit refresh, and as you can see, our folder is available, and just click here. Okay, so from our project directory, okay, so here is my project directory. So from our project directory, we have to import these things. Okay, so I am importing this template file, which is for visualization. Okay, it has all the codes of Highchart and index html file. So and then I am also uploading my model file. Okay, model file which I have downloaded from sdfs, and then I am also uploading my test data file also. So and I am also using app.py file. Okay, I will record this app.py file. So and then next thing I will require is next thing I am going to require is my pem file. Okay, so uh, let me go inside my project folder, and here from here I will require this requirement.txt file. So as you can see, my files are successfully uploaded. Okay, so just close this file zilla. So wait, okay, so just close this file zilla. So from here, let me do ls. Okay, so stock data is there. Let me go to my folder cd stock data. So let me hit ls again. So as you can see, my files, all files are uploaded in my ec2 instance app.py requirement.txt files, and all those files are there. Okay, so now next things, okay, we are going to install our necessary library from this requirement.txt. For that, we have to type command, which is pip3 install hyphen r. So now give the requirement text file. So it will automatically install all the available libraries. Okay, all the necessary library that we have to install from this requirement.txt files. So just wait. Okay, our spark is also downloading, so it will installs all the necessary library that we are going to require for this project. Okay, so next things, okay, I have forget to explain is that um, let me go to my static project folder. So from here, okay, so if one thing we have to make changes in our app.py file is that we have to okay we have to okay change on these things, okay, which is host and port name, because we are running it in our AWS server, so we have to provide our host as 0.0.0 and then port as 8080. By default, if you are running your app in your local system, we don't require these things, okay. We just have to use debug equals to true, then that thing it will run our program in our local mode, okay. So for running this in our AWS server, so we have to change those things, okay. We are using host of 0.0.0 and in port we were using 8080, okay. So the thing we have only do the changes, okay. So I have already do the changes, so our required software has been installed. So let me hit clear, okay. Let me hit clear, okay. So now the last thing, okay, we have to do is we have to install Java, okay. Just do sudo apt get install default dot jre. So by doing this, it will automatically install, okay, default gre, which is 11, okay, version 11. So we can use these things, okay. So just hit run, enter, okay. So it will install our Java file, okay, Java into our EC2 instance, okay, which is going to required, okay, for running our Spark application here, okay. So if you don't install this gre, then our Spark application won't run in EC2 instance. So for that purpose, we are using this, we have to install this gre, okay. So after installing this gre, then our then our program will run. So just wait, wait, okay. Now okay, so our gre is installing, okay. So just wait for the gre installation finished, okay. Then we will be running our program, okay. Now I think it's installed. Just wait for the finished, okay. Now our gr is also installed successfully. So now okay, so we'll be running our program, okay. So let me hit ls, and as you can see, app.py file is here. We just have to run that script, okay. Ls that app.py file, okay. So uh, our app.py file will okay take our model from here, okay, in our EC2 instance, and then the test data also the test data from here, okay, which I've already uploaded from our local file system. So just hit python 3 and then our file name, that is app.py, okay. Just hit enter, it will start our Spark applications, and then after starting Spark application, our it will load our model file, which is struct data model, and then after that it will transform, it will give the prediction of our test data by processing, okay, by transforming that test data into our model. And then we'll be doing the visualizations also. So here is our web, it has successfully started our Flask application also in our EC2 instance. No, so now okay, just go to your SSH client, wherever we have previously we have gone, okay. Then from there, okay, just copy this address and then just paste it here in our next tab, okay. And then here we have to provide our port, okay, which we have given in our program, that is 8080. And after hitting this port, it will run our application. So just see, is it running or not, okay. As you can see, it is running perfectly. So now check the visualization also. So here our visualization of data is also going well. So you can see, as you can see, our program is also running well. So well, that's it, okay, for this video, okay. We have already we have also seen as you can see, you have already known that how can we deploy our ML application into our EC2 instance, and then also visualization of this data, okay, using those Flask applications. Okay, so well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much.